used to live here?
Oh, well, his name is John, but now he has developed cancer, and so the hospital forced him to leave.
Cut. It's your room.
What are you laughing about? What are you...
Stop recording!
You're fired. You're fired. This is my cat. Look, he's giving himself a bath. I mean, her, or he, I don't know. What's up? This guy likes to laugh a lot. This is Bloopers.
Oh, did you guys like a rocket?
What?
That's a mole.
Oh.
I was like, what?
I said cut. I said cut. Cut. I wasn't doing anything. Action. Go, come on.
What? Like when I'm going upstairs? Why?
Because I didn't get it.
Well, let's start over, Mom.
Oh.
Hey, Mom.
Hey. Wait, let's start over. Go ahead.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, what?
Who lives there?
Oh, you know, I really don't know. I think no one's lived there a long time. I think it was condemned a long time ago.
I need to start over. I wasn't even
Okay.
saying the right thing.
All right, let's go.
Wait.
Oh, crap. Sorry.
I feel like I'm being washed.
You know what? Oh my gosh, it's time for you to go to school.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Who lives there in that house?
Oh, no one. I think it's been condemned for years.
You sure? Because I just get this feeling like I'm being washed.
You know, it's time for school.